If you want to use floating windows or the pop-up view on Xiaomi 15T and 15T Pro, then first of all you need to open any app that you want to open in that view, and then go to background apps or recents, and you want to press and hold your finger on the app preview. On the side you should be able to reveal additional options, and if the floating window mode is supported for the specific app, then you should be able to use this button over here, this rectangle within a rectangle icon. In this case, settings cannot be opened in the floating window mode, but the Play Store can, so I can just use this button over here. And there we go, we have the introduction at first to the floating window. We can start using our app, we can drag it around, we can tap on these three dots in order to find more options. We can, for example, swipe it down in order to go back to the full screen. Let me reopen, there we go. And also we can grab by these corners in order to resize the app as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.